If you consume an avocado daily for a period of 30 days, what effects could it have on your body? Avocados offer numerous benefits to your body, including enhancing your immune system, safeguarding your eyes, and protecting your body against cancer cells. Whether you consume them in salads, smoothies, dips, or alone, avocados are undeniably tasty and advantageous for your health. We've compiled a list of benefits associated with consuming this fleshy green fruit, but please remember that it's crucial to consult a nutritionist before making any alterations to your diet. 1. Your kidneys might work more efficiently. Since avocados are abundant in potassium, individuals with kidney issues may consider incorporating this fruit into their diet. Research has demonstrated that consuming avocados on a regular basis is a beneficial means of enhancing kidney function. 2. Your breath can get fresher. If you're seeking a natural breath freshener, consider incorporating avocados into your routine. They possess potent antibacterial properties, and consuming one daily can eliminate bacteria from your mouth, leaving it clean and refreshed. 3. It can lower your blood pressure. Individuals with high blood pressure can greatly benefit from avocados, which are known for their high potassium and lutein content. These nutrients are effective in enhancing vascular health and elevating lipid levels in the body. 4. It can improve your vision. Consuming a single, medium-sized avocado daily can enhance your visual acuity. This is due to the avocado's ability to boost carotenoid levels in the body, serving as an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. 5. It can boost your immune system. If you frequently suffer from colds, it's possible that your immune system requires additional attention. Fortunately, certain constituents of avocados have been found to fortify the immune system and suppress viruses and other infections. 6. Your liver might function more efficiently. As the primary regulator of chemical levels in our blood, maintaining a healthy and properly functioning liver is crucial. Incorporating avocados into your diet is a wise decision since they have been shown to mitigate liver damage. 7. It can make your skin glow. Whether consumed or applied topically, avocados are highly recommended for promoting skin health. Their carotenoid properties aid in protecting against ultraviolet rays, resulting in a more radiant and youthful appearance for both the face and body. 8. You may lose weight more easily. Obesity and excessive weight gain are global issues that should be addressed in consultation with a professional. However, research has demonstrated that avocados can aid in weight reduction by increasing satiety and positively affecting gut hormones. 9. You can get extra protection from cancer. While a nutritious and balanced diet is known to prevent certain forms of cancer, avocados can be considered a wild card in this regard. They possess cytotoxic properties, implying that they can eliminate cancerous cells and inhibit the growth of this disease. 10. It can boost your concentration. Rather than consuming a large cup of coffee when struggling with concentration and focus, consider eating an avocado. Research has demonstrated that individuals who incorporate avocados into their diet benefit from improved brain and cognitive function. 11. It can help relieve symptoms of arthritis. Individuals who experience arthritis-related joint pain may find relief in avocados. The fruit's antioxidant and analgesic properties have the potential to lead to a pain-free lifestyle. 12. Your cholesterol and triglyceride levels might decrease. An avocado a day may keep cholesterol at bay, experts at Harvard University claim. It has a high amount of fiber, monounsaturated fats, and plant sterols, leading to a decrease in harmful cholesterol levels. What's your favorite way to eat avocados? If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.